Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. According to recent reports, by how many ranks did Telangana schools improve in the national index? The correct answer is 17. Telangana schools improved by 17 ranks in the national index, as per recent news. Sariyana Badil, 17. 17. Question 2. After how many decades has IRCTC recently unveiled a new ticket booking website, beta version? IRCTC? The correct answer is 2. IRCTC has launched a new ticket booking website after 2 decades as part of modernizing digital ticketing. Sariyana Badil, 2, IRCTC. Question 3. Which Indian state is leading the country's push in rooftop solar and wind energy, according to recent reports? The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is reported to be leading India's efforts in rooftop solar and wind energy. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which of the following is the most common site for a Colles fracture? Colles fracture? The correct answer is distal radius. A Colles fracture is a fracture of the distal radius with dorsal displacement of the distal fragment. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which stage of fracture healing is characterized by the formation of a soft callus? Soft callus? The correct answer is reparative phase. The reparative phase involves the formation of a soft callus, followed by its conversion to a hard callus through mineralization. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. A patient presents with severe pain, pallor, paresthesia, pulselessness, and paralysis following a tibial fracture. What is the most likely complication? The correct answer is compartment syndrome. The 5 Ps, pain, pallor, paresthesia, pulselessness, paralysis, are classic signs of acute compartment syndrome, a surgical emergency. Sariyana Badil. 5 Ps. Question 7. A vascular necrosis is a common complication of which of the following fractures, especially if displaced? Avascular necrosis? The correct answer is femoral neck. The blood supply to the femoral head can be compromised in femoral neck fractures, leading to a vascular necrosis. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. What defines a non-union in fracture healing? Non-union? The correct answer is failure of the fracture to heal within 6 to 9 months. Non-union is generally defined as the failure of a fracture to heal within a period of 6 to 9 months or when healing has ceased. Sariyana Badil, 6 முதல் 9 வரை. 6 முதல் 9 வரை. Question 9. The primary goal of fracture reduction is to fracture reduction. The correct answer is restore anatomical alignment. Fracture reduction aims to bring the fractured bone fragments back into their normal anatomical position to facilitate proper healing and function. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following is a microvascular complication commonly associated with long-standing diabetes mellitus? The correct answer is retinopathy. Retinopathy, nephropathy, and neuropathy are microvascular complications of diabetes, while myocardial infarction, stroke, and peripheral artery disease are macrovascular. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which class of drugs is often considered first-line therapy for essential hypertension, particularly in patients without compelling indications for other agents? The correct answer is ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors and ARBs are frequently used as first-line agents for essential hypertension due to their efficacy and beneficial effects on target organs. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. What is the most common site for an ectopic pregnancy? Ectopic pregnancy? The correct answer is fallopian tube. Approximately 95 to 98% of ectopic pregnancies occur in the fallopian tube. Sariyana Badil. 95 முதல் 98% வரை. Question 13. A pregnant woman presents with new-onset hypertension and proteinuria after 20 weeks of gestation. What is the most likely diagnosis? 20. Proteinuria. The correct answer is preeclampsia. Preeclampsia is characterized by new-onset hypertension and proteinuria after 20 weeks of gestation. Eclampsia includes seizures. Sariyana Badil. 20. Question 14. The National Health Mission, NHM, in India encompasses which of the following submissions? NHM. The correct answer is Rural Health Mission, NRHM, and Urban Health Mission, NOHM. The National Health Mission, NHM, comprises the National Rural Health Mission, NRHM, and the National Urban Health Mission, NOHM. Sariyana Badil, NRHM, NOHM. NHM, NRHM, NOHM. Question 15. A study that compares the exposure history of individuals with a disease, cases, to those without the disease, controls, is known as a. The correct answer is case control study. In a case control study, subjects are selected based on whether they have the disease, cases, or not, controls, and their past exposure to risk factors is then compared. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.